Hey, it's Jason from rucRak. Watch this. Jason here with rucRak again. I'm in the rucRak shop, and I wanted to show you something. I want to talk about the tire carriers. You see what happened there? This is a JK tire carrier. Now, this guy had a 37 on a stock tire carrier and did not have any protection. He didn't have any tailgate protection or upgraded tire carrier. And this is what happens. These are a magnesium aluminum alloy and they're junk. However, I've been running a rucRak on my JK with that tire carrier and with stock hinges for 5 years. How do I do that, you say, without tearing it up? Well, as you can see, I have this 35 back here, but static weight or stationary weight does not tear up tire carriers and hinges. This weight does. The force of you bumping up and down the road or off on the trail and that tire, which is unprotected back here, giving that weight, what we call dynamic weight, on that tire carrier is what happens to that. Now, when you have a rucRak and the tire and the gate is closed, now all of the weight that's on that tailgate, from the tire to the rack and anything that's in it, is now on the hitch. This prevents from vibrations, it prevents from dynamic weight hurting your tire carrier and your hinges.